Hi, in front of me is HUAWEI Honor 9X Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can use App Lock on this device. Firstly, open Settings, then scroll all the way down and click on Security and Privacy. Over here, go into App Lock and choose Enable. Now pick one of the options, Lock Screen Password or Custom PIN. I will go with Custom PIN, so I have to tap on it, enter my PIN, and confirm it. Over here, answer this security question or click on it, choose one of the available ones, or tap on custom question and create your own. Then answer it and choose finish. Over here you need to click on the switcher next to apps that you want to lock. So for example, I will go with App Gallery, so now when I tap on the switcher next to it and go back, I can see that my PIN is required. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!